Hi guys, let's listen to class 9th English, Ishwaran the storyteller. In order to understand this whole chapter, we need to go through character sketch. So first of all, we'll listen to character sketch. Then after, we will go to listening a full story. So without the character sketch, you may not able to understand all the story. So that's why I put on one part for just to understand the character sketch. The first of all, the character goes to Ishwaran because he is the one who gives for everybody and who gives a very good story throughout the chapter. See who he is. He is a cook for his master. His master name is Mahendra. Then after, he is loyal and honest. See, whatever the works is given, he used to do everything with honestly and loyalty. See, every day he used to wake up, he used to do all the household works, then taking bath and doing all the works, cooking food, washing clothes and washing vessels, and everything he used to do in a right time. Then after, his special character is saying a story. Whatever he says, that makes it to make it a very real. So it is a fascinating storyteller. Next is for quality to make a people to believe the story is true. So what is the meaning of this? See, whenever he says the story or whenever he tells the story to others, see, he makes the incident to be true or making a story to be true. See, whenever we listen to some stories and all, we used to forget everything and we used to just listen what the story next and what is the story next, like that, no. So likewise, he used to say the story very really and truly. If the story is something untrue also, he make it to be true. Then after, tells a story with the gestures and with the sound effects. So whenever he says the story, he used to make his face and his actions and all according to the situations. If there is a way of fearing, he used to make his face as a fear. If the way of sad, he used to make his face as a sad. And if it is something furious, then according to that, he changes his gesture and speaks with a sound effect. Sound effect means what? If the story goes very slowly, so he used to talk very slowly. If it is something very, you need to speak with a very loud in the sense, same. If there is thunder breaks, according to that, with a sound effect he used to speak. Then after, leave the story in the middle and make a more suspense. Whilst saying story, he used to leave. Means what? He used to stop. Okay? If I speak of some story, for example, we can see in serials and all, no? In TV, say somebody used to come and going to kill, that time the serial stops and it says that it continue on a next day. Same way, he used to also leave the story to make more suspense. Oh, what would be next? Oh, what would be next? Like that, some intention used to come in our mind, no? The same way he used to also make. Then, last is chatted with his master day and night. So whenever master comes to home, so he used to always speak with the master. So due to this, when we read the whole story, they are not a master and Ishwaran will not have any kind of TV in his home because always Ishwaran used to talk with the Mahendra. So day and night, whenever master is free, he used to go and talk. That's means these are the main character. So when we read two books, we may find more characters, but before that you need to understand these are the points. Then after Mahendra is not that much involved in this chapter, because always who says only Ishwaran only speaks, just to know Mahendra's fearful nature. So whenever Ishwaran used to say some of the ghost stories and all, he used to have a fear. When the night times, when he listened to some fearful stories, so that time easily he gets frightened. Next, sometime not able to sleep when he hears of a ghost. So whenever he hears of some ghost stories and all, while sleeping he used to fear and he used to wake up, and it seems to be something is happening in his life. So he was not able to sleep. Then after, he was a contractor. He was building contractor. So he used to do the contract business. Then after, habit to listen a story. So he is also very interested when Ishwaran speaks, when Ishwaran tells some of the story, he used to listen very closely. That's all. The two important characters in this. Then we shall see 3 or more stories in this chapter. So the stories will be very interesting, and we will enjoy throughout the story. So just copy this and have some of the good idea in your mind. So when you listen to the story, you will enjoy. So before I teach, just you read the chapters, at least 2 or 3 pages, then leave 1 hour, then after you read, then you will be able to copy me as I say the story. That's all for today, and stay tuned for a next part, and we shall learn together. That's all. Thank you.